Hello, everyone. My name is Wayne Zhu. I'm a recent graduate from the University of Toronto Institute for Aerospace Studies in the Flight System Control Laboratory. Today, I'm going to present to you my paper, which is on design of a nonlinear hierarchical adaptive control framework for a novel tiltrotor vertical takeoff and landing aquatic unmanned aerial vehicle. The University of Toronto Institute for Aerospace Studies Flight System Control Laboratory is collaborating with a group of scientists from the Queen's University to develop AquaUAV technology for wetland algae monitoring mission. To successfully perform such missions, the AquaUAV is required to take off without a need of a runway, has a minimum range of 20 kilometers, and endurance of 30 minutes, as well as the ability to take off and land on water surface to perform treatment or to collect water samples. A tiltrotor AquaUAV named Aquafly consists of a flying wing body with an innovative box-tail quadrotor frame attached to a servo-operated tilting mechanism has been designed and implemented. The box-tail provides stable flotation stability for the vehicle on water surfaces while improving its flight stability in forward flight. The earlier prototype of Aquafly demonstrated successful water takeoff and landing from outdoor water bodies in the presence of wind and wave disturbances. A summary video of the flight test can be found in the FSC YouTube channel, showing in the link below. The major challenges that remain in the control of a tiltrotor is to enable reliable and safe transition from hover to forward flight, and vice versa. During transition, a tiltrotor UAV is in a state-varying and shape-varying conditions. As a result, the dynamics are highly nonlinear and coupled. Gain scheduling and switching control algorithms for the control of tiltrotor UAVs are well established in the literature due to their simplicity. However, concerns are raised for the stability and control performance outside the operating point where the dynamics are linearized. Recent literature has been focusing on developing transition controller using advanced control methods such as robust control, adaptive control, or nonlinear control. Similar to reference 2 and 3, the objective of this paper is to design a control framework that covers for all flight mode of the vehicle without the need of switching or offline gain adjustment. Rigorous stability proof will also be provided. A hierarchical nonlinear adaptive control framework consists of an outer-loop nonlinear adaptive TECS, total energy control system, speed and altitude controller, and cascaded with a inner-loop model reference adaptive control attitude controller is proposed. Adaptive control methods are utilized to compensate for the inevitable modeling error and uncertainty in the derivation of transition dynamics for the tiltrotor. Control allocation are introduced to effectively distribute control effort for the over-actuated system. A tilt servo control law is designed from tilt corridor analysis. The nonlinear adaptive TECS is a multi-input, multi-output control system which allows for simultaneous tracking of altitude and speed by manipulating the total specific energy and specific energy difference of the vehicle. It is proposed to better account for the strong coupling between the airspeed, altitude, and rotor tilt angle for tiltrotor UAVs. The control laws and the adaptive law for the aerodynamic drag is designed based on the inverse Lyapunov method such that it results in a global uniform asymptotic tracking performance. Furthermore, all signals in the closed loop system are shown to be bounded in time. Similar to reference 3, a direct model reference adaptive controller is proposed to track the desired attitude angle of the tiltrotor. The controller forced the system output to follow a reference signal generated by an ideal model while operating in the presence of plant uncertainties. The reference model for the attitude dynamics is designed from second-order transfer function in terms of desired natural frequency and damping ratio. The adapted laws for moment of inertia and aerodynamic moment are designed also using inverse Laplace methods to achieve global uniform asymptotic tracking performance. Again, it can be shown that all signals in the closed-loop system are bounded. The tilt corridor is a special flight envelope for tilt rotors that shows its acceptable speed profile at each rotor tilt angle. It is often obtained through twin flight analysis of the nonlinear dynamics model or through flight test. A tilt rotor is desired to stay within its corridor at all times for safety concern. The law of tilt angle variation with airspeed, also known as the tilt schedule, is designed from the tilt corridor analysis. For aircraft flight, a smooth tilt schedule is designed such that it falls near the center of the corridor and the pitch command is slow varying along the curve to ensure safety and control simplicity. The proposed nonlinear adaptive control framework and the nonlinear dynamics of Equify were implemented in MATLAB Simulink. Simulation analysis were performed to validate the control performance. Transition simulation results showed that the proposed nonlinear adaptive control framework with the design tilt schedule allows smooth transition with significant less altitude variation compared to traditional switch control transition strategy. This concludes my presentation. Thank you.